Hello, in this video we will be discussing different trading styles. Before you choose a particular trading style, there are several things to consider. The amount of time you want to invest in trading each day. Do you want to enter short-term or long-term trades? Are you a risk taker? Answering these questions honestly will help you to adopt a style that suits your personality and lifestyle. Types of traders. Scalping and intraday traders are required to be focused on their trades throughout the day and close out their trades by the end of the session or maybe after just a few seconds. Whereas traders who follow trends are long-term traders and their trades develop over days, weeks, or even months. Unlike scalpers and intraday traders, swing traders hold positions for more than a day. The overall goal is to look for trends and then use the swing trading technique of buying and selling into a pullback to make gains. Breakout trading. There are two main types of breakout patterns. 1. Support and resistance breakouts. Traders attempt to enter the market once the price moves outside a defined support and resistance price range. 2. Swing highs and lows breakouts. This is similar to support and resistance breakout trading. However, traders of this kind look for swing highs and swing lows with a V-shaped form.